So it's very important to have a single data point or a single source of data that you can rely on, even on the front end, in the middle, and on the back end. And that's why here at Alpha 2 we've taken a lot of pride in being flexible in inserting our solutions within those parameters, within that RCM workflow, from the point of care all the way up to the dials management in many cases. Part of that equation has been all of our solutions, not just for claims editing, but also solutions like ABN generation for medical necessity, and in particular our E&M generate tool. And that's a great example of what it needs for regulations and following those regulations as they have changed over the years. And since 1992, when they first came out with the E&M codes, there wasn't a whole lot of guidance. And then, as we all know, from 95 and 97 guidelines came out, there was still a lot of vague and a cloud of ambiguity that was covering everyone in the industry on what to do, what the regulations meant. And then just recently, with the 2021 changes that came out, there was a huge shift from going to medical decision making only, abandoning history and exam for calculation of the code. You still need to have history and exam for documentation purposes, but it really caused another cloud of confusion and panic, if you will, among the provider community, is what does this mean and how do we adapt? We came alongside our clients and helping them and adapt with those processes, helping them to adapt with regulations. And with many of our EHR vendors, we gave them a comfort level that they could rely on us to make sure those updates were applied appropriately and accurately, and they could deliver it to their clients seamlessly with very little effort on their part. So we've been a leader in the industry with E&M, as well as other solutions that, again, help the provider throughout the revenue cycle receive the appropriate reimbursement that they're entitled to.